Today, I am going to tell you how to remove the bitterness taste from Sarson Ka Saag. If the saag is not prepared, while selecting the leaves for Sarson Ka Saag preparation, you have to take care to select tender leaves of the mustard. If it is overgrown, they might slightly be bitter. Next, while boiling the leaves of Sarson Ka Saag after cutting, you have to take care to boil it along with the spinach leaves. Next, you can also try boiling it along with pieces of carrot or turnip. If you have already prepared the saag, then for every 1 liter of saag which is prepared and to be repaired for its bitterness, you can take a small cup full of corn flour or besan ka atta according to your taste. Now, make a thin paste with using water and dilute it. Add this to the saag which is already prepared and add the necessary spices for it, and then cook it on slow fire nicely by stirring it. After some time, you can taste it for bitterness. You will find that the bitterness is being adjusted.